Today we're making bike jumps.
Boom shakalaka to all the people that want.
Okay guys, it's the end of an era. We've had a wonderful 2 years together. We've built so much and I love teaching you and just being, you know, your DT teacher. That has come to an end now with this last video. If you have liked the videos and you'd like to just keep going with them, then subscribe and click the little bell and I'll keep making videos. I've got a challenge for myself. If I get 100 subscribers, then I'll make some summer videos for you. And who knows? But I know one thing, I will see you again and I love you all. So keep making, keep building. Mr. Bennett's here for you. Yes, today we're going to make a BMX course. We're going to include bike jumps, balances, whoopsies, tabletops, any type of bike jump, berms. Let's see if we can do this. Cool bike track for the boys. They're going to cruise around, jumping over stuff. Right, first things first, let's try and find some materials. Right, so I've just gone around, I've found anything flat that doesn't matter if it gets a little bit trash, because it's going to be being hit by a bike. I've got pallets, I've got plates, I've got blockboard, I've got concreted slabs of old wood. I think I've got a lot of stuff just to start going. Now you might want to take a minute here to go and plan it. So get a piece of paper out, plan your route. I'm just going to make it come naturally to me because it's a lovely sunny day and I'm not going inside for anybody. We got the boys, they're all on their bikes ready, but I've still got to build it. Now you got to pick your right place. I'm so lucky I live on school. I'm going to just turn this place into a real like MX track. BMX track. This is it. We got everybody cruising. Cruising! It's already fun. Haven't even made a single jump yet. Let's go. We've got a really nice long downhill. We're going to do a downhill course. Loads of things, natural features like roots, natural things like the steps already there. I'm going to come all the way from the top, circling down like they have in the Red Bull downhill. Yeah, Red Bull Rampage. Into the car park.
In that bush, I would reach in and grab it.
Can you spot the snake?
I can.
Check out how impossible it is to see that guy.
Better speed.
Right at the very top.
Right.
I'll try and get an angle there. You see it against the white at the top of the window? Snake. Obviously, I don't know what tools you have, but essential is a board of some kind. So I've got this plywood board. It's a scrap piece I found, and I've found some wooden blocks. I'm lucky I got a chop saw, you probably don't have that. Then I've also got a pallet, and I've also got these concrete ones, like that. So that's gonna make a really nice jump. Of course, I've got the hammer out to take out the rusty nails. Then I'm gonna saw it up and put it all together, like recycled. Right, so the classic bike jump is a kicker. It's like a little that you just go, and it just takes your wheels off the floor momentarily. You can use roots or a big, I don't know, even a rock. You can use the little kicker. It kicks that back wheel up. But I want to make a permanent one for the boys. So I'm going to use this softwood here I've got behind me, 2x4. Chop it up so that I make a nice steady frame. And there's so many like stresses and forces of a dynamic jump on that wood. So your frame has to be bomber. I'm talking proper joints. Really staying away from using too many screws or nails, because if at any moment someone breaks it and falls off, they're going to spike themselves. And so that's a classic. You put a big screw or nail in your wood, you're going to spike yourself, you're going to cause an injury. Right. Anyway, let's try. Right, so this is the kicker the boys have been using. Very simply, they got some old cushions and they put a big piece of plywood on top, so they go off it. It's quite nice because the cushion actually like condenses a little bit and gives a spring, which is awesome. Anyway, let's try and make a wooden one, but just so you know where we're aiming for, it's like this. Watch the boys go over it. Check these jumps out. Ah, nice jump. Here goes Bo for the jump. Bo racing in. Oh, cleared it. Oh, yes, okay. Finally get to use the power tools. Yes. Now you might not have these. Just use a normal saw, put some elbow grease on it and go for it. But I've got them because I'm a DT teacher, so I'm going to use them. If you do have power tools, make sure your parent uses them and you stand safely away, earmuffs on, eyeglasses on. Right. I have cut this shape. See that? And this is going to be there. Into space. See? I've got 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Big board on it. Lovely fat piece of wood in the middle of it. It's going to be bomber. Looks like a space fighter or something. Anyway, I've had to use loads of old projects. Do you remember this? You too? There's your project. It's been reused now. Anyway, check it. That's my shape. Put a piece of plow on the top. Awesome. Okay, it wasn't enough we did that one. We made a bigger one. Look at this bad boy. Okay guys, go do this challenge. It's amazing. Yes, Bobo.
Well done, Bo.
That's it. Now, we've got to put the big mama jumper down there. There's the whoopsies through here. There's the balance beam. There's the blue jump at the top. And there's some stairs to go down in Pegasus. Let's see these guys do it. Fast forward. Go. This is the Red Bull Rampage Bennett, Mr. Makerspace. We're off.
Make it